put a frosting on here, and we're gonna put our 6-inch cake, hopefully. Oh, I need to put my dowels in. I don't have my dowels in yet. Let's put those in. Ha! That was almost scary. I think they're in my bag over there. So if someone can get me my bag, there are 4 short plastic dowels in there. They look like this, only they're short in there. So I have them pre-cut. Hopefully they're the right size. If not, I will have to, you know. This is about where I'm going to put them. I'm just measuring. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, let's see.
We'll just put them under here when they're done.
It's probably not right. Just measuring, so I want to get it kind of centered here. It should be 2.5, about 2.5 inches. 2.5, maybe 2 3/4. 2.5. I think that's where it should be. I think that's centered. So this is about where I'm going to put my dowels. Normally I would put my dowels in before my decoration. They're a little high, so we got to cut them down. Oh, the fingers. So I have big scissors to do that. Yeah, this had a 3-hour trip, so the cake settled.
What kind of dowels are those?
They're just plastic. If I had, you know, my pipe cutter, I could do a pipe cutter thing, but I usually, actually normally use a scroll saw to cut them. We'll just cut them. You've seen me do this before. That's it. That's where they all need to be cut. That's what I was afraid. I was afraid this cake was going to settle, unfortunately.
All right, I'll dust some of these, and then I'll do some glue, and then I'll do whatever we need left over. I love this green mustard dust.
I know, super green is so pretty.
Sorry,
Okay,
Wrong person. Okay.
let's get the. Now that we remember to put the dowel in, boy, that would have been a bad mistake. You think? Lots of.
It would have made it interesting.
It made it interesting.
A good wedding story.
I have my level over there. Yes, I do. It's not going to do me any good now.
It's right here.
Yeah, it's not going to do me any good
Okay.
now. It's all right. I don't think the table's really level. All right, so let me lift it up. Is this ripply? Lord is. Okay. Paper towel, please.
Yes, ma'am.
We do still have the ripple to go for his collar, but other than that, that's the only main decoration left. The other things are done.
All right, there's some of those.
Does this look?
Do you need me to cover these up so they don't dry?
Nope, we're gonna put them on. That looks pretty even, doesn't it? All the way around. I think that looks even.